Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you secure folder setup and hidden tricks on Samsung Galaxy A17. Secure folder is a special app on your phone that will duplicate the apps that you have, but the secure folder itself, to access it, you will need to enter a certain password. It can be different than your phone's password, so no one else besides you is gonna have access to your apps, data, whatever you store in that secure folder. And there are gonna be some tricks for the secure folder as well. So let's go to the settings. Now scroll down to security and privacy. Now scroll down a little bit until you find more security settings, then you'll find secure folder. Now click on continue and click on continue. It's creating the secure folder. I'll explain how it works in detail in a moment once it gets created. But first we'll need to actually wait until it's created. Now once it's created, you'll see a secure folder lock type, and you should set it up like select a PIN, password, or pattern. As I said, it can be different than your phone screen lock, but make sure you don't forget it, because in case you do, you can technically enable lock reset with Samsung accounts, so you will be able to reset the lock. But if you don't enable it and forget your PIN, password, or pattern, you'll lose all the data that's stored in that secure folder. So let's set up the screen lock type. I will set a PIN. Now let's set it to like something simple, but feel free to set it to something more complex as long as you can remember it. Now I'm gonna allow lock reset with Samsung account. You can also enable fingerprint, so you can sign in with a fingerprint to the secure folder. Now let's click on next, and you can see we already have some default apps in the secure folder, like camera, internet, contacts, files, gallery, calendar, and notes. Now, if you use the camera app, if you take a picture, it's gonna actually automatically transfer it to this gallery, to the hidden gallery, not to your standard gallery, because these are duplicates of the apps that you already have. You can have your own contacts list here. You can use your browser here, and all the history will be only saved in the secure folder. You can use the calendar, the notes, and my files. Also, for things like gallery or my files, not only can you directly download the files into here or take photos into the gallery, but you can also transfer it from your existing gallery app. So now let's try adding a different app, maybe. So we can actually use it here as well, like let's say Instagram. Now the Instagram is actually a duplicate of the app that I have on my phone already, but that app, the main one, not locked one, can have a different account than this one. Also, you maybe actually signed out of that account on that main Instagram and only be signed in here, so that other will be inaccessible. Now if you want, you can actually hide the Instagram on your phone, so that only the one that is visible is gonna be in the secure folder, as you can see right here. So let's go to settings, then go to home screen, and now scroll down to hide apps on the home and apps screens. Then select the app that you want to hide. I will hide the Instagram. Done. And now I don't have Instagram here, but in the secure folder it is here, and I can sign into it. Also, as I said, you can take, for example, a photo with your camera and it'll automatically go to this hidden gallery. As you go to the gallery right here, you can see there's just one photo. Now you can also transfer photos from standard gallery to the hidden one by going to that standard gallery, opening what you want to transfer, then clicking on three dots in top right corner, then move to secure folder. And now it's moved. So yeah, this is how it works. Now also another trick is that you can actually add those apps to the home screen, but to open them they will require a password. But you know, you can add them to the home screen by pressing and holding, then add to home, add, and now you can see my locked Instagram is here. I can open it, but if I go, if I lock my phone, if I unlock it again, you know, with my pattern, then if I go to Instagram, I need to enter the pin to secure folder. Now, in a moment, I'll show you how to change it so the secure folder locks itself always once you leave the secure folder or an app from the secure folder. To do it, go to secure folder, then click on three dots here, and you can either lock and exit to lock and exit now, or you can go to settings, then go to auto locks secure folder, and you can set it to each time I leave an app. Now you can also do some other things, like for example, go to more settings and find some passwords, passkeys and autofill, and store your passwords here in the secure folder, you know, to different websites or apps. Also, there is an option to go to notifications and manage the notifications, and also once you want, if you don't want to use the secure folder anymore, you can go to settings, then more settings, then uninstall, and you can click on uninstall, and you can select whether you want to move the media files out of the secure folder to the Files app, or if you actually want to delete them. Now, there's also aspect ratio. For some apps, if they don't support full screen, you can customize it here. And if you go to the other security settings, you can allow or disallow clipboard, and if you allow it, then if you copy something while being in secure folder, then you can paste it outside of secure folder, and if it's disabled, you cannot do that. And now let's also see customize, because you can actually customize the icon and the app name. So for example, it's even more hidden. If you, for example, name it, I don't know, I'm gonna name it HardReset, but you can be a bit more creative with it. Now there are different icons here, and I've reset it. I wanted to click on apply. Never mind. Let's change it again. No, I'm not gonna do it. I failed twice. It's just, you know, it feels like it's gonna be apply in the top. Never mind, really. Yeah, so this is gonna be about it in the secure folder. I hope that you liked this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.